Hey guys, this is Kenjiro and welcome to another MakeShop Pro video. So in this one, I just want to let you know that I've created a blog to go along with this YouTube channel. The blog is makeshoppro.blogspot.com. The idea is to have the step-by-step instructions laid out in a form that you can read at your own pace, or if there's a specific tool or step that you remember seeing and you want to get a reminder on it, but you don't want to scan through the entire video or re-watch a video to find it, the blog should help with that. I do try to keep the videos as short as possible, and at times I recognize that I can breeze right by content or make a lot of assumptions, so the blog should alleviate that as well. I've started some entries so far, and I'll eventually make a blog entry for each teaching video that I post. So that's it. Once again, the blog is makeshoppro.blogspot.com. Feel free to leave a comment either here or on the blog, and technically you can subscribe to both. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.